In this episode, we're wrapping up our KPI conversation. Episode 12 was all about KPIs are, why they're crucial, and the top 3 KPIs for your sales system. In the last episode, we discussed other metrics you can extract from your sales system and how to make practical use of them. Now, we're concluding this topic by discussing the bigger picture of integrating KPIs into your day-to-day management. KPIs are like the variables in your equation for reaching your revenue or other business goals. Whether you're aiming to boost revenue, enhance profitability, or refine your overall business operations, these key performance indicators act as your touchstone. Depending on your specific goals, you might adjust the particular metrics you focus on, tailoring them to the performance elements that matter most to you. These metrics serve as early warning signs, showing you the health of your customer attraction, conversion processes, and your revenue generation efforts. Even though I'm sure you're convinced by now of the value of KPIs and metrics, they can seem like just one more thing and get lost in the shuffle. Even once you've set up your sales system to gather these metrics, there's additional steps needed to harness their power to steer your business in the right direction, pinpoint what's working, and identify areas that may need some extra attention. The ultimate goal of this KPI journey is to streamline your operations, reduce stress, and, where applicable, boost profitability. Imagine a world where you can simply check your dashboard or console every month or week to gauge your overall business health. If things are running smoothly, fantastic! You can get back to that long list of to-dos. But if that warning light does come on, you know precisely where to focus your efforts. Now let's talk about the practical steps to use these metrics. First and foremost, you must be clear about your goals. Metrics are meaningless unless they align with your objectives. Are you looking to grow revenue for scaling up the business? Boost profitability? Streamline your operations and focus on the right clients? Once you've set your specific goal, choose the KPIs that reflect it. If you aim to enhance profitability, tracking the percentage of marketing qualified and sales qualified leads is key. You'll want to examine the sources of these leads and monitor the warning lights indicating when it's time for adjustments in your sales and marketing processes. But the benefits of the right KPIs don't end with tracking sales and marketing performance. They also serve as predictors of capacity. Knowing your equation and the KPI variables in that equation allows you to forecast the number of projects set to close. This, in turn, helps you predict your business capacity needs. With this information, you can be proactive in either adding or scaling back capacity as circumstances require. It's all about giving you more control and driving predictability in your business. By incorporating these KPIs into your business evaluation, you gain a more comprehensive and informed view of your operations. Instead of flying blind, you'll have the tools you'll need to navigate confidently, make informed decisions, and steer your business towards maximum profitability and success. Stay tuned, because next up is how to create a place for all of these indicators to live so you can easily keep track of them. No, you do not have to get a report in your email. Listen in and learn all about dashboards. Hire Help, my book on how to use experts to shortcut improvement, growth, and capacity, is now available. Get all the details and buy it by going to hirehelpbook.com. Was this episode helpful? Take a moment to rate and review this podcast. Rating helps other kitchen and bath design owners discover our episodes.